Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will learn what are the mutaharrik letters in an Arabic accent with examples. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what are harakat, what is mutaharrik letter, how do we pronounce the harakat in an Arabic accent. We will learn in this lesson mutaharrik letter with example. What are harakat? The plural of harakat is harakat. Zabar, Zir and Pesh are called harakat. Zabar, Zir and Pesh are called harakat in an Arabic accent. What is mutaharrik letter? A letter which has any harakat, zabar or zir or pesh, on it or below it. That letter is called mutaharrik letter. What is mutaharrik letter? A letter which has any harakat, zabar or zir or pesh, on it or below it. That letter is called mutaharrik letter. Zabar and pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas zir is placed below the letter. How do we pronounce the harakat in an Arabic accent? Viewers, we pronounce the harakat in an Arabic accent without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. How do we pronounce the harakat in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the harakat in an Arabic accent without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. Let's see the example of harakat. These are the examples of harakat. Because this letter has harakat on it, this letter has zabar, this letter has harakat below it, this letter is called mutaharrik letter. This letter has harakat pesh on it or above it, this letter is called mutaharrik letter. These are the examples of mutaharrik letter. How do we pronounce the mutaharrik letter or harakat in an Arabic accent? Let's learn. Ba zabar ba zir ba pesh ba bi bu. We do not stretch, we do not sudden pause when we pronounce harakat. Ba zabar ba zir ba pesh ba bi bu. These are the examples of mutaharrik letter. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of mutaharrik letters or harakat. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video and like this video. I daily upload a video. If you need these type of videos, then like my video and do not forget to subscribe, and also leave a good comment about my video. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.